teachers belonging to the Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School contractual teachers have started their indefinite hunger strike at Malki ground from today. The indefinite hunger strike is being observed under the banner of Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School contractual teachers as they apprehend termination of their services on ground of not qualifying the Meghalaya teacher eligibility tests. During the strike, the teachers also had placards and posters expressing displeasure over the government's intention to discontinue their services after putting in many years of hard work. These teachers informed that they have not received their salaries since the second week of December 2020, when the state government intended to appoint all those who have qualified the MTET exam. Speaking to the media, the teachers said their service is now at stake as the government has already conducted the personal interview for all those who have qualified the MTET. They also said that it will be very difficult for them to apply for new jobs as many of them are already over age.
Some teacher they are overage, so when the reply is from minister, he told that those who will pass this MTET, that means all will terminate from the post. So on that day we request him, sir, where will go, because most of the teachers are overage. They cannot apply to another post due to overage. They have their family problems. Then from minister side, he told us that those who are overage, that means they will terminate us from the post. So we have big problems for that. That's why we are united. We are here to do the hunger strike, so that the government will hear us, send us that we, the contractual teacher, we have suffered big problems.